For me personally, it's helped a lot with my neck and back issues. Also, another effect that I hadn't even considered with KST specifically is that it helps a lot with anxiety, which I do suffer from. My son suffers from anxiety as well. And since I have been coming to Van Every, I have been able to go off all medications, and I really don't have any anxiety issues anymore. And I attribute that completely to getting adjusted regularly. I have been a patient at Van Every for about 15 years. My kids and my husband and I have been coming here for years. The reason I started with chiropractic in the beginning was I've always had neck and back pain, stiffness, even as a young person, and seen chiropractors on and off throughout my life. We were seeing another chiropractor and just it wasn't a good fit for us as a family. So we asked around and got a lot of references to Dr. Saylor and Every Family Chiropractic. And so we started coming here when my kids were in grade school. As a patient, what I loved is how welcoming the staff was. And now that I'm a staff person, I love how the patients and the staff really are very much like a family. I'm always happy to see people come in that I haven't seen in a few weeks, and it's always a very happy experience for everybody. When we have a kids club or a kids day event, it's clear, I think, to everyone who's there how excited our patients are to be here, and how much they feel like they're part of the team as well. I like KST because it can really, in terms of pain management, it really can be directed at specific areas, at the hands, for example, or the feet. I'm starting to get arthritis in my hands, and the doctors can actually adjust at each knuckle, and that works to help alleviate that pain quite a bit. I like that it can be, I know all chiropractic can help with everything, but with KST, because they can adjust cranial bones, if I'm starting to get a headache, if I'm starting to get that anxiety feeling in my throat, dealing with the cranial bones specifically can really stop that in its tracks and lessen the effects almost immediately. Dr. Saylor has a number of events throughout the year. The two biggest are our Kids Day that we have every May. That's a neighborhood event. We involve people from the whole community. The Masons are usually here. The Optimist Club is here. We have bouncy houses and food and entertainment and games for the kids, and it's a wonderful event. We've had up to 500 people here at our biggest year, which was amazing. She also does a fall festival. Every month we have a kids club where kids that are patients get adjusted for a reduced rate. We also try to have some kind of a party atmosphere. This month is our Harry Potter party. Last month we had a big pool party. We've got lots of fun things planned. So there's always something fun happening, which keeps everybody's spirits up.